Hey!
That blooming idiot we know is doing something stupid. And we're even stupider by thinking it's a good idea to go and say, oh hey, let's hang out for 28 hours on the side of a motorway. I get out of here.
Hey!
Oh man, I'm so tired.
You tired?
Yeah, really tired.
You gonna have a nap in the van?
Yeah.
Good morning and welcome to today's video. This is not America. We're back in London, and today, or tomorrow, in a few hours' time, I don't know what's going on. He's going to be riding a time trial for 24 hours. The national championship, in fact. Are you excited?
No.
No?
It's gonna hurt.
Pigeon Mafia have come. Your support crew.
Alan Sugar. Look at him in the front, Alan. There he is. Do you want to check the bikes are secure? Just to give me like a confirmation. I don't trust myself. I'm not shutting Jimmy. I'm not shutting Jimmy in the back. No. Damn, fine wide.
So over the next 30 hours we are going to be, well, here, then stuck by the side of a road. I'm going to split this video into 2, maybe 3 parts. Starting off with kit, equipment, what Chris is going to be using over the course of the 24-hour TT. It is the national champs, so there's some hot competition there. You were here last year, weren't you?
I was, yeah.
What was it like?
So was Chris. Yeah. It was
raining.
The weather was really bad. We thought we were completely prepared, but obviously, how do you learn how to prepare for a 24-hour time trial on the side of a motorway? So I'd like to think that this year we're going to be a lot more in control, and hopefully it goes to plan. And the weather's looking to be good, which is good. I wouldn't say it was shit last year, but it was just intense. It was really fucking intense.
Learned a lot. Emotionally it sapped me. Physically it fucked me. Hopefully we'll come back stronger. I got a way better skin suit. I got a better bike.
Better beard.
Better beard.
Why did you shave your beard off last year? You looked shit.
I did look weird, didn't I?
Don't do it. Don't ever do it again.
Mate, have you looked at me?
Have you shaved your arms?
Yeah, man.
But I think I noticed from your videos yesterday you had it trimmed up.
My beard is trimmed up, yeah.
You groomed it again, yeah. I can handle that.
And my hair's trimmed as well.
Why are you dictating the hair situation, Jimmy?
Did you see what he looked like last year with a shaved face? He looked like Chris Froome with a little nose sticking out of a big helmet.
Is that what Chris Froome?
Yeah.
I think he looks like Simon Neil from Moving Cairo.
Maybe if I do this more, I look more like Simon.
Yeah. Look at that.
I hear from you how we used to soothe. Now the bite and burn slowly it consumes. I'm losing
Any rubbish, man?
Did you find some beetroot stuff in the service station?
Why do they look so weird?
Beetroot falafel.
Is your nutritionist getting you to eat loads of beetroot?
Oh yeah.
To make your peaky funny?
Yeah. Quite scary.
It makes you faster though.
Apparently. Well, we'll see. We'll find out, won't we?
Give me some rubbish. Full tank gas, eh?
Where are we going to go?
I don't get any bumping any that way.
I'm looking at this thinking, shit, this could be really expensive.
Hey, you dropped your chopsticks.
They're yours.
They're not.
They're yours, man. I got them for you.
Why have they got like jizz on them?
Just got them for you.
This can literally sleep 2, like one across here, one down there. Put a mezzanine in for a 3rd person.
Mezzanine?
Yeah. A van mezzanine. A vanazine.
I was nervous as last year.
Well, yeah, because it's not. It isn't the fear of the unknown.
Yeah.
You know, you've had shit weather. You know the course, sort of. You know the type of people that are going to be there. People know you.
Yeah.
It's just going to be loads of like knowns.
Nice. It was nice last year as well. Is that there's some serious riders, and they're very respectful of each other. And the fact that those kind of riders are respectful of me as well, it's really humbling.
But But that's the thing. Last year they didn't really know who you were.
Yeah.
I think you'd like 107 had been done, but you were still like building who you are and like people knowing you.
Yeah.
And now you're going to go in and there's going to be some real big hitters there. Like even like Jasmine, like
she's a hitter.
But you chat to her and stuff. Yeah. So there's every chance that you'll actually have like a conversation with her. Whereas last year it would have been more like, oh, that's that woman that's fucking amazing.
That's short length, mate.
They ride up, it's funny, isn't it? A proper ride up.
I have to censor it. Check out this, it's pretty cool.
I've got to be honest, this bike feels really fast.
Yeah.
I'm surprised how...
Yeah, did you know who the previous owner was?
There's
a sticker of it.
John. Mr. Quebec.
Who's John?
Quebecer. John.
Yeah, they left a sticker on it. He got it off Matt, didn't he?
He did, yeah.
This bike, but it is actually a different carbon layout to the standard Cervelo S5.
So I've heard.
I mean, it's light.
It's very light. It's
ridiculously so.
It surprised me.
For an aero thing.
Definitely needs to get his brakes sorted though.
Chris needs to learn how to do his own mechanics.
There is that as well.
Not done up. Oh no, it's old Dura-Ace.
Yeah, I know, can you believe it? Someone's left some stickers on, just take them.
Should we just peel them off?
I remember when I was a kid, my mother used to have a rugby ball which was signed by all of the Welsh rugby team in the 70s, the legendary Welsh rugby team. Yeah. And I remember as 4 or 5 years old, presenting this ball back to my mother going, look, I cleaned it for you.
Touch it.
It's a snake!
We found a problem with it.
What's wrong with it?
You're sponsored by Kogel.
I know, it's got ceramic speed stickers on it.
And rotor?
I know, but it's a team bike. Not my team bike.
Take the sticker off.
No, man.
Can't do it.
No, I don't want to.
We nearly took the stickers off to make it nice. You know, we thought someone's left some stickers on your bike, we should clean them off so your bike looks nice and tidy.
You guys.
You're not riding this bike, are you?
This is a spare bike.
I know you've shown us on video, you've shown the new viewers who've got Americans.
Oh, this one?
Yeah, check out the bike that Chris is going to be riding for 24 hours. It looks uncomfortable. Very quick rundown, how quickly can you talk about it? Go.
So this is a giant Trinity Advance. It's a lighter weight frame set, more aerodynamic. Arcor's tubeless disc, tubeless 80mm front, info crank power meter, 5648 I'm running on the front and 1128 on the rear. Kogel jockey wheels, Kogel bottom bracket, Dura-Ace Ultegra Di2 mix. There you go. Was that quick enough?
I'm well impressed you actually know what gearing you're on now.
Some tape, because I just want to tape this.
What is that?
This is to go into a battery pack.
Oh, you can listen to your earpod.
So I can listen to my earpod?
Scratch your bike, sorry.
I know you don't care.
Oh, there's a code man behind you. Ooh. Didn't know Lawrence was coming.
Did I?
Hello, Lawrence. Hello.
Lovely.
You're my new best friend.
And let me smell your balls. Oh, massive B! Massive B! Massive B! It's gone.
Did you just make that up?
Massive B. Maybe.
Can't say anything.
Maybe.
It started yet, you're crazy.
Oh, I'm going crazy. I don't know.
Do you think we want these on permanently? Because like the first stop is at 5 and then the next one is 9.
It's going to be light at 9.
Yeah, but it's more about the
the
time it takes to get them on the bike and things like that. Yeah. So that's the kind of we want to limit how much we have to faff about with each stop. I can't imagine they will if they're not going to act as causing additional drag or any of that performance related bollocks.
They are.
Insignificantly.
No, not over that distance.
Come on.
Look how aero he is. He shaved his beard.
The front one will piss me off. The rear one won't.
Let's get a back one on.
How long are you out for the first leg before you come back to refuel?
4 hours?
So you've got Cliff Bar, Peanut Cliff Bar, Velo Forte, a sack of something, 1 CO2 canister, one pump, and 2 gels.
Yeah. There's also
hydrogel,
36 grams of carbohydrates in each water bottle, and there's 2 water bottles.
3 water bottles.
Every 4 hours, this is what will be consumed, plus the 2 water bottles or 3 water bottles, which have got 36 grams of carbs in each. And then each stop will be a complete meal as well, which will be hey, you have a chef cap on, apron, nothing on in between. You know, his bum will be hanging out a little bit. We'll be doing little sexy things and tossing food around. And we'll make us some food as well. I actually demanded he bring his food for us.
In a nutshell, Chris is going to be riding close to 24 hours, a few very small stops. He's going to be fueling the majority of the time on the bike. We're not allowed to support him unless he stops next to us, and then he can actually grab food that we've prepared. So we can't hand anything out of a car. So we're going to be stuck by the side of the road for most of today's TT. I think we're going to jump in maybe Will's car and try and swear at him out the window and stuff.
Him, yeah.
Yeah? You're heckling me behind.
50 mile an hour heckling.
You've been heckling me just then.
I haven't actually. No.
Oh wow.
No, I didn't.
How long do you reckon you're going to be stopped in total?
Play it by ear.
In an ideal world.
Ideal is 5 to 10 minutes.
Yeah.
Every 4 hours. I'm going to keep playing down that that's an ideal situation with everything going to plan leading up to it. So we just can see how it goes. Biggest things that could go wrong? Knees, crash,
punches,
bike,
crash,
puncture.
Punctures would be a right pain in the ass.
Puncture could be one, as there is some roadworks on the course, so it's kind of come out of nowhere.
Have you ever done any roadworks, Jimmy?
What does that mean? Have I done roadworks?
Yeah, we could go and just do it. Finish it.
Oh, finish the job?
Yeah, finish it.
I think there's a shovel somewhere.
That pump looks
There's
kind
a
of
shovel,
shovelly, yeah.
yeah.
That's
Got
what
some
all
inner
roadworks
tubes.
are.
Press a minute, pump.
Do it. But I roll that mat just over the top of whatever's wrong with the road.
We're going to need that.
What, the sleeping mat?
Yeah, that's a very crucial bit of our supporters kit.
Right, we can't help with the roadwork, sorry.
What are you here for that?
Fucking hell, I feel like I'm giving myself a hernia.
You're right.
Prototypes, aren't they?
Are you wearing the over thingies as well?
I don't think so, because it's hot. I was debating wearing over thingies, but I think because it is warm, I don't think it's going to be a wise idea. It's my bad toe, look at that, man.
You rolling?
I'm rolling.
I'm going to show the viewers how to pin on a number properly. If you race any sort of bike racing, you want to do this, okay? Not just like, most people do that, right? Go straight through the number and then pin it on like that. That is not an acceptable way to pin a number on. It looks shit. Go in the number, in the suit, out the suit, back into the number again, and then fasten it on. And then you have a nice flat aero pin. Ideally, you want one pin there, 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 one pin there. So you want to get the middle bits as well.
Does that also apply to a 24-hour race?
Aero overweight. Well, yes, because this is a 24-hour race.
Aero is everything, isn't it? Number one. That means first to finish.
You won last year, didn't you? Or you forgot to enter in time, so they ended up giving you number one. Idiot. You spend lots of money on a lovely skin suit.
Jimmy spends lots of money on a lovely
Jimmy
skin
spent
suit.
lots of money getting you a lovely skin suit, and then you get like 15 numbers to put all over it.
Your friends told me you're fine, you're a swell guy. Your friends
He looks so cool till you put that shit hat on.
So bad.
Oh, it hurts my head.
That's his head. You got the foods, got the drinks, you got the shoes, got the feet, got the gloves. Gloves? No gloves.
No gloves is more aero, man.
Just checking the bike works.
The bag works.
You can't clip in.
When does his warm-up start?
It's got to be relative to the distance of the race, isn't it?
Yeah.
So you should be doing like a 5-hour warm-up.
Yeah.
Left or right outside?
What?
Do you go left or right when you go out?
Don't know. You should know that.
If it shaved all those little bits of rubber sticking out from your tyre, I think it would have reduced the air.
That is worth at least 10 watts.
That's got to be
Seriously?
about 10 watts.
This is what they used to do on the track.
Shave them
They were
off.
going for the hour record. Remove all those
little bits?
tyre projections that catch the wind.
Mate, I'm getting them.
He's going to do the
I'll do them now. I'll do
No,
them
you
now.
don't. It's no good doing it a bit or you'll unbalance the wheel.